Today's recipe is a real game changer for those who love fish head. This recipe will experience a nice masterpiece with very few ingredients. Yes, you guess it right. Bhetki Maacher Kaanta Chorchori or Indian sea bass, where this fish is really popular throughout the world, especially in West Bengal, Southern cuisine as well as Thai cuisine. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today a delicious Kata Chorchori where it shows an understanding that every part of an ingredient can create a culinary masterpiece. Now let's check the ingredients. And ingredients are green chili, coriander leaves, some whole spices in which cumin seed, coriander seed, green cardamom, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, potato cut into strips, thinly sliced onion, ginger and garlic paste. With that, our lovely fish head. Over here, I am using Bhetki or sea bass. If you don't have this, you can use any big fish head. Now, let's begin the recipe. First of all, wash and clean the fish head. Then into it add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well with your hand. Then marinate it for 4 to 5 minutes. On the other side, we will make a dry roasted masala for this curry. Now for the roasted masala, we will take half teaspoon of cumin and coriander seeds and 2 green cardamom. Place this in a heated pan and dry roast it for 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns fragrance. Then transfer this to a mixer grinder and make a fine powder. Then keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Next, after removing the whole spices from the pan, into that same pan, add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. And once the oil heat up, then we will add our marinated fish, which we have marinated at the beginning of the recipe. And after adding this fish head, we need to fry in a medium-high flame until it turns golden and crispy from all the sides. Though there is a catch, you always need to fry the fish head little hard, as because when you place this fish head into the curry, it will not give you a fishy smell. For that, to remove that smell, you always fry it hard and crispy. Now our fish head is done. Like this way, I will fry the other head too and then remove everything from the pan. Next, after removing the fish head, into that same oil add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, and once it starts to splatter, then add a large size potato cut into strips, the way I have shown you in this video. Next, fry this potato until it turns golden. You can add little salt and turmeric while frying this potato in a medium-high flame. After that, we will add 3 medium-sized onion cut into thin slices. With that, add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 2 green chili paste. Now stir it well and cook in a medium-high flame until it changes its color. It will take another 4 to 5 minutes. Do you know that one person waste can be another person delicacy? That's the theory between this recipe. Now our potato and onion are almost done. At this point of time, we need to add some basic masala. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste. And now mix everything well and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will add our fried fish head. Now once you add the fish head, then add half cup of water into this curry and cover and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the potatoes are 80% done in a very low flame. Though in between you need to open and scrap so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan, and also you need to check the tenderness of the potato. You can see in this video that our potatoes are almost done. At this point of time, we need to add 2 teaspoons of the roasted masala which we have done at the beginning of the recipe. While adding this roasted masala, you will get the exact taste and flavor which you get in the marriage ceremony afternoon lunch, as this recipe is compulsory during this time. Next, add 2 to 3 chopped green chili and coriander. Again mix well and then cover and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes in a very low flame, and that time you will see our delicious curry will be perfectly done and it will look amazing. So wait for it. And those who are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. And finally, open and check, and you will see oil will be peeping from all the side, and that is the perfect time to switch off the flame and serve this in a serving plate and enjoy this with warm steamed rice with your relative guests as well as your family members. And after serving this recipe like this, what do you think? Will your guests like it? Then don't forget to comment in my comment section below and subscribe the channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So next time when I am uploading new recipes, you will get the notification first. So stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking stories. See you again with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.